Hello guys, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy UD and I am the CEO of Pips to Dollar FX, as you all know. So guys, first of all, an apology. I want to apologize for not dropping a video last week due to some unforeseen circumstances that made me not to drop a video last week. So I really apologize for that. I apologize. Please, I'm sorry, all my subscribers that have returned to watch new videos but they didn't see anything last week. Please, I'm sorry. So this week I am here. I can't miss for complete 2 weeks. No, it can't happen. So I am here once again, bringing back some fire contents. I'm bringing back some huge contents, some energetic contents to show you guys the direction of the market. Well, thank God this the beginning of this year has been wonderful to me, and has been also wonderful to everyone who followed me up, and we have been making a lot of money. Yes. So guys, I'm back this week. I want to show us some pairs that I've got for the week, the direction, and my thought processes, my entry, and all those things. So I have also a Telegram group, which you all know. My Telegram channel is Pips to Dollar FX, and the link to the description of that, the link to the channel will be in the description of this video. So you go check it out and join the group so that you can interact with other traders and also enjoy the free signal I drop every week. All right, and so if you are new to the channel, please just give us a subscription. Just hit on the subscription button, then on the post notification bell, so that in every time I post a new video, you will always be updated. All right, have you done that? Okay, so if you watch this video to the end and you see it good, give it a thumbs up and also share it, so that, because doing that will help us with the YouTube algorithm. Please guys, don't leave this video without subscribing. The more you subscribe, the more it gives me the courage to do more and to be bringing you content. And what I'm going to do here, it doesn't mean that we don't lose. No, we do, but most of the time we win. Our win is always more than what we lose. That is why we stay consistent. That is why we stay profitable. You get? So I'm not doing any holy grail strategy. No, I'm not. What I'm actually doing is that I show us the rules. I make sure I follow every rules, and once all the rules have been made, I take my trade and allow the market to do its own work. You get? So that's how I personally do it. So what I'm going to do here is just for educational purpose. You learn from what I'm going to do, and you also go check it out how you can do it, probably add to your own trading strategy, and you now become profitable. Right? That sounds good. Okay, let us go to the main business of today. Now, what I have for us today or this week is just three powerful pays that all the rules have met. So I want to go into it and then show us what are really I'm thinking the direction of those pairs will go. You get? So those pairs are GBPUSD, EURUSD, and USDCAD. I have other pairs, but I don't want this video to be that long, so I just want to choose. I've chosen those three pairs to discuss with us here. So that sounds good. Let us get started. Now, here with me is the pounds dollar. You can see there is it. Now I have this drawn already, but I'm going to remove them. I'm starting afresh to analyze it with us. Yes, so this is now a plain chart. Okay, so how do we tackle this now? How do we know the direction? Now I told my guys I told my members some weeks ago that I'm expecting a breakout I'm expecting a breakout from GBPUSD because of the pattern that it was presenting to me. So I was expecting a breakout, and this is the pattern. This is the pattern. Let's draw it here. If I pull it, my trend line from there to touch the week, I draw my trend line week to week. Then if it cuts across the body, it's still good. Okay, so now just want to align it very well. Okay, all right, so you can see there, that is it. Let's put the next one. We have it here. I will right here. So this was what I saw, and this is actually a bullish pattern. For those who know, this is actually a bullish pattern. So whenever you see this pattern, it means that price is going to break to the upside. That's price is going to break to the upside. Price is just gonna to the upside. You get now. So, and you see price has done that last week. Price did that last week. Look at it here. Price broke out. Look at the breaking out. Price broke out of here. You get now. So now I'm not expecting this price again to come inside, though it can, but I'm not expecting it to come inside that structure again because it has broken it out. And now I don't forget my support and resistance because I always combine all those things. So let us mark our support and resistance step by step so that you see that the market was moving in a higher high, higher low technique. So let's go straight to that. I just want to mark from somewhere here. Look at what happened there, guys. Boom. Price got to that point, reacted, moved down, broke it out, retested, and then broke. You get. So now let's mark out another point. Still have another point there to mark just to confirm that price was moving in that pattern. Look at somewhere here. Let's make it fine. Look at that particular point there. You get that, right? You see how it reacted with the trend line, that place. See how that place reacted with the trend line. See it here. Price came in there, bounced, reacted with the trend line, pushing a little, and then broke it out. You see, so I'm just trying to show us that price was moving in that aspect. And what do you think pushes this one? What do you think pushes this one down to come back to this retest? Because that's what I'm expecting. Price coming down there to that retest. This previous resistance now turning support will be as a confluence there, and trend line also at that area will also be the confluence, and price is going to push up. You get. So now something push this price down, something push it down, something makes it comes down. You get. And that place is actually here. Let's mark it out so you can see clearly the place that pushed the price, that make the price to come down currently. Yes, you can see. So that is the place that makes that price to come down, like the way it is moving down now. You get. So now what am I expecting? This is what I'm expecting. Price pushing down here and then breaks this one, probably back to this other side. You get. So that is the direction for the week. That is where I'm expecting the price to move for the week. You get. Price can do whatever I want to do, but I make sure that I see everything holding before I delve into the market. You get. So I've done my own part. I'm waiting for the confirmation in the lower time frame. So when I have any confirmation in the lower time frame, what I do is I will hop into the market. So my entry technique, my student know that. So I'm not going to disclose everything here, but we do top down analysis. You just move down to another time frame, and if you look at the 4 hours right now, you see that this price should come down here. You see how price reacted there in the past. So price just comes down here, and then boom, we have other confirmations that we put, but I'm not going to do that here because most of my premium members do watch this video. So if I disclose everything, it's not gonna be nice. So that is that for GBPUSD. Quickly we move to what? EURUSD. EURUSD is the next target. Now let's go to EURUSD. Let's go to EURUSD. So like I did before, I'm going to delete everything so that we can, start afresh and then draw this thing out. So I knew that this price was going to break out from this point because of the pattern that it was presenting. Price, look at here, it was making higher highs. The buyers were having strength, you get. So it broke out, now coming back for a retest, then boom. That is what I'm expecting, guys. You can see it's very simple. Let's mark it out. Let's mark everything out. Now I place this here, I place this right here. You get, yep, place that right there. And I had my trend line here. My trend line was here. Yeah, that was how I had the trend line. That was it. So now I look back because I wanted to see where the price can, if it comes here, if it comes down here and then pushes up, where can I take my profit? I think it will be somewhere there. So let me mark it out, because I can see a little there was a support here which can now turn resistance. Look at here, there was a support area at that point, so it can really turn to resistance. So I'll now place my resistance line there. So what I'm expecting is when price comes into this zone and then pushes up, I'm taking my profit here, though I'm expecting it to break out, retest, and then continue, something like that. So but if it doesn't do that way, I'm still fine. But for the meantime, all I want is price coming down here and then boom to that point for the week, you get. So now my entry, as usual, I just go to the lower time frame. I just move to the lower time frame. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Moving to the lower time frame to pick my own entry. That's what I do. I'll just move there, pick my entry. Once my entry confirmation is set, and I also have some other confirmations that I do put here, but I'm not going to disclose everything, like I said. So that's what I'm expecting for EURUSD. As simple as that. And what gives me that confidence is that price is moving in, that kind of higher highs, higher lows, you get. So that's pretty much good for that. So that one doesn't need much explanation. Let us go to USDCAD. Yes, very simple, guys. You can see this thing is always, I told people that this thing is always simple. It's just for you to use your eyes and what to pick your trade. Okay, now listen up, look at something here. Now you saw this, that this was a support area because price bounced back here, a bounce up, sorry, was bouncing up there. So now eventually broke. So if it broke that particular point and it's going back to a retest, what do you think? When it gets there, it has to go down. It gotta go down, bro. You see, I'm not saying it can't break up, but it can. But for the meantime, this thing is gonna go down. It's gonna go down when it gets to that point. You get. I think I don't need to clear everything here, but can you see the way I drew it? I saw that price reacted. I saw that price reacted sometime here. You get, by pushing up here. It reacted again here by pushing up significantly. Look at that. It came down, reacted at that same point, pushes up, but they did not push it back to this base that high again. So that means the buyers were losing strength there. And again, if you look at those who know chart pattern will see that this is something like head and shoulder pattern. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. You get that? So that price broke it. It broke. You see, it broke, right? So it broke that point. Now coming for a retest. So once it gets to that neckline, what do you expect? Boom. Though I also add my own personal confirmations, confluences. Like I said, I won't disclose them. I add my own personal confluences because everyone knows that this is a neckline, and the big boys and everyone, they know that this is the neckline. They are watching it, so when it gets there, there's always this, manipulation to take people out, blow people's accounts and that. So but we use technique to follow them, you get. So at that particular point, I'm selling. Once my own entry confirmation is met, I will sell it back to this base. I'm selling it down here. See, it's very simple, very simple. And you can observe that price was moving in a, so like that. So lower low and lower high is there, what is applicable there. So once price goes back to retests, at that point, boom, go down, it will crash, you get. So guys, I think that is where I'm gonna pause for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. You can watch the video again. If you didn't learn, or if you didn't get what I said, you can watch it again. The video is there. You can actually watch the video again. You can watch it again and again so that you understand, you get. So now this is where I'm going to draw the curtain for this week's analysis. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, please subscribe on the post notification button bell so that you always be updated every time I post a new video. And also like and share this video because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. All right guys, I wish us a very, very, very profitable week. More money, more blues. Thanks guys, and bye for now.